Hello everyone, welcome to day 11 of the survival month series. What have I got today? Well, we've got 16 cleans. There was supposed to be 18 booked for today. We've had 2 skips, so it's left us with 16, and we've got 13 in Wisbeaks and then the other 3 in Wisbeaks St Mary. So we should get it done. It's Friday, the end of the week for me. I'm not working this Saturday, so I'm looking forward to having Saturday and Sunday off work, although I'm going to change a pump round, wash the van, clean my poles, the usual stuff that goes on behind the scenes. Weather-wise, it's looking all right. It's just a bit cold. You can see probably all the frozen breath coming out of my mouth, but it is dry. So hopefully we'll get it done. I want to get out of Wisbeaks as early as possible because Friday, it's bad on traffic in the afternoon, especially when everyone's trying to get early knock-off. So will we do it? Let's find out. Right, that's us finished for the day. All 16 cleans done. 2 caught up from last week, so they're out of the way. So all in all, not too bad. But one thing I have noticed is the first job we did, it's like a commercial family-run business unit. There was one pane of glass they just pointed out as really spotty, and when I'd look, it was spotty all over. So I had to get the ladder out, go up there, but I explained, I think, that it's going to be between the glass and probably caused by the seal gone in the window in the unit. But the only way to really prove it is to do something about it, so they can see that you're trying and prove that it is possibly just inside the outside piece of pane of glass, if that makes sense. But it just goes to show how important it is, really, even though I'm water-fed pole, that I've got traditional cleaning tools. So I went up the ladder, did everything traditional, then used younger rubber, walnut pads, and I even scraped the glass as well, and then they could see that it's not on the outside of the glass. So basically they're going to call someone in who's local to me. He's a window glazer. He actually fitted the windows originally for them anyway, and he'll be able to tell them and do something about it. So even though you're water-fed pole, I think it is still good to learn how to do window cleaning with traditional methods, because it is another way of cleaning insides. It does come in handy sometimes, and there might be delicate windows that method would suit better, and it's just your window cleaner. So you should be able to clean a window in different ways, really. That's the way I look at it, but I definitely prefer water-fed pole. Traditional's good sometimes. I don't mind cleaning the odd house that way, but it is frustrating if you haven't got the knack. There's definitely a skill to it. Anyway, that's me done. I'll leave the video up here for you to watch, and join us for Monday when we get the next survival month window cleaning out there. So far, it's not going too bad. Money's been coming in more than what's been going out. So we'll find out how the rest of the month goes. Ta-da, take care.